Hi, friends. Welcome to English with Friends. Today we'll talk about a big challenge for beginners, speaking fluently. Many learners focus too much on grammar and worry about mistakes. But here's the truth. Fluency is more important than perfection. Think of it this way. Kids don't learn by perfect grammar. They speak, make mistakes, and improve. That's how you'll grow too. Mistakes show you're trying, and that's what matters. So remember this. Speak first, perfect later. It's better to speak imperfectly than stay silent. Ready for some easy tips to boost your fluency? Let's dive in. If you're just starting to speak English, don't worry. It doesn't have to be complicated. Let's break it down into simple, easy to follow steps. These tips will help you build confidence and speak more fluently. A. Start small. The best way to begin is with simple sentences. Don't try to use complex grammar or big words right away. Start with basic phrases like, I like apples. I go to school. It is sunny today. You can also practice short conversations that you'll use often, like, how are you? What's your name? Where are you from? The key is to focus on small, manageable steps. Once you feel confident with these sentences, you can gradually add more vocabulary and complexity. B. Don't stop to correct yourself. When you're speaking, it's normal to make mistakes. The most important thing is to keep talking and not stop to fix every error. For example, if you say, yesterday I went to the park. It's okay. Correcting yourself as you go is a great way to learn, but don't let it interrupt your flow. The goal is to communicate, not to be perfect. People will understand you even if your grammar isn't flawless. Over time, with practice, these mistakes will naturally improve. C. Use what you know. Don't get stuck trying to remember a perfect word. Instead, use simple words you already know. For example, if you can't remember the word hungry, you can say, I want food. If you don't know delicious, say, it tastes good. This technique keeps the conversation going and helps you stay confident. The more you practice, the more vocabulary you'll learn naturally. D. Focus on common phrases. Learning practical, everyday phrases can make speaking much easier. These are sentences you'll use all the time, so they're great to practice. Can you help me? Where is the bathroom? What time is it? I don't understand. Practice using these phrases in real situations or role play with a friend. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. E. Speak slowly. Don't rush when you're speaking English. It's better to speak slowly and clearly than to try to talk fast and make mistakes. Speaking slowly helps you think about what you want to say and makes it easier for others to understand you. For example, instead of rushing and saying, where's the train station? Break it down into clear words. Where is the train station? With time, your speed will naturally improve, but starting slow builds confidence and fluency. F. Practice with a partner or alone. The best way to improve your fluency is to practice as much as possible. If you have a friend who speaks English, try having regular conversations with them. If not, you can practice alone. Stand in front of a mirror and talk about your day. Today, I woke up at 7 a.m. I ate breakfast. Then I went to work. Describe what you see around you. The sky is blue. There are trees outside. Even talking to yourself can help you become more comfortable with speaking. The goal is to make English a regular part of your daily life. Fluency doesn't happen overnight, but these simple steps can make the journey easier and more fun. Start small, keep talking even when it's not perfect, and practice as much as you can. Remember, every time you speak, you're getting closer to your goal. Keep going. You've got this. Let me share a story about a friend of mine who started learning English. When they first began, they were so focused on grammar that it became a problem. Every time they made a mistake, they would stop, correct themselves, and try again. This made them nervous, and they started avoiding conversations altogether because they were afraid of saying something wrong. One day I told them to stop worrying about grammar and focus on fluency instead. I said, just speak. Don't stop to fix every little mistake. The more you talk, the better you'll get. They decided to give it a try. Instead of pausing every time they made an error, they kept going. After a few weeks of practicing this way, something amazing happened. They were asked to give a short speech in English. It wasn't perfect. There were plenty of mistakes, but it didn't matter. They stood up, spoke confidently, and shared their thoughts. When they finished, everyone clapped. That moment changed everything for them. They realized that fluency is about communication, not perfection. They felt proud because they could express their ideas and be understood, even with mistakes. This is the power of focusing on fluency. It's not about getting every word or sentence right. It's about connecting with others and building confidence. Remember, your mistakes are part of the process, and every time you speak, you're improving. Keep practicing, and you'll see how far you can go. Now it's your turn to take action. Don't wait. Start practicing your fluency today. Here's a simple task to try right now. Think about your day and describe it in English. Don't worry about mistakes or grammar. Just speak. For example, talk about what you did this morning or what you're planning for tomorrow. Remember, fluency isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Every word you speak brings you one step closer to your goal. The more you practice, the more confident and fluent you'll become. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends who are also learning English. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English with Friends for more tips and lessons. Together, we'll make learning English fun and easy. See you in the next video.